Your money, your responsibility. Keisha Bailey here, your financial expert and wealth coach. Hear me clear. Your money belongs to you, not the bank. Therefore, it is your responsibility to place your money where it can grow and receive optimal protection. When opening an account, whether a saving account, investment account, it is important to inquire about the security measures that the institution has in place to safeguard its customers. Your money, your responsibility. Do not hesitate to ask about the ease of online access, security alerts, verification procedures, and the frequency of reporting. It is your right to know what your money is doing, so it is important to stay informed and exercise your right and obligation to remain updated about your funds. Your money, your responsibility.